గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ అందరికీ. నమస్కారం. ఈ ప్రీ ఈవెంట్ వచ్చిన అందరు ఫ్యాన్స్కు, మా వెల్ విషర్స్కు, ఫ్రెండ్స్, రిలేటివ్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఫర్ కమింగ్ ఓవర్ హియర్. The captain of our team, Mr. Shekhar Kamula Garu, he has a style of taking the films. You have been seeing him from last 25 years. This will be the same way, but in a different genre he has come. And we, like suspense, you have like thriller, crime, something like that you will be seeing in this film. ఈ ఫిలిం చాలా డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది రెగ్యులర్ ఫిలిం శేఖర్ కమల దానికన్నా. అండ్ ధనుష్ గారు ఎలక్ట్రిఫైయింగ్ యాక్టింగ్ వారిది, చాలా ఫెంటాస్టిక్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఉంది. అండ్ హీస్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ అన్ యాక్టర్, హీస్ a director, he is all in one. That we have seen him, he is the only man I have seen him from after long time. Dasan and Raghavar, I have seen you, sir. He was also like that, but not at this age. He was at his 50s when he was all rounder, like he was doing direction, everything. But you are the man I am seeing you in future, who has everything in you, sir. Whenever you come onto the camera, in front of the camera, you are really electrifying. And our Manmadudu, King Nagarjuna Garu, he is something special to us, not only as an actor, but as a friend and all, like a family friend he is. So we are all very happy that he is in our film, and his performance will be in the next level. In this film you will be seeing him like that. And Nagarjuna garu cheppinattu eppudu 1000-2000 crores heroine garu ma dantlo unnaru. We hope that this also will become in that scale. Wish you all you should wish us also that way. So thank you. And our DSP, who is generally as a very beautiful music he has been giving us, and the background music will be really fantastic in this film. Thank you, and you have made it, sir. We are very happy that you have come. I know it's with so much of difficulty you just reached here. Thank you for that, sir. And all the team of direction team and the production team also, I thank you them very much from my bottom of my heart and making this. Thank you so much.